What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We just reached 500 views on our channel. So, in this lesson, I will be covering rock, paper, scissors game. So, let's get to it. We're gonna start by importing random, and after that, we're gonna declare a variable which is game, and its value is 0. After that, we're gonna use a while loop to loop up the game. We're gonna say while game is equals to 0, then run the loop. And now we're gonna create a gameplay function. Now let's declare our variable which is PC and use random.trace. So inside random.trace, we're gonna use a list. Inside our list, there will be rock, paper, or scissors for the opponent to choose. Now we're gonna declare our variable which is user is equals to input quotation marks rock paper scissors. Like this is the choice for the user. The user will choose from here. Now let's print our user's outcome or output. We say user plus user which we created. Now go and print for PC. We're going to do what we did on users. Now let's use if statement condition. We're going to say if user is equals to PC, then it must return type. And now let's create a condition for winning. We're going to say if one, inside one, we're going to say user faces PC. Now we're going to create a condition for if a user wins or a PC wins, it must return 1. Else it must return you lost. Now let's create our function which is 1, and inside 1 we're gonna use player and computer to play the game. Guys, remember that rock beats scissors and scissors beats paper and paper beats rock. So now it's gonna be if player is equals to rock and computer is equals to scissors. Or player is equals to scissors, and for computer it's gonna be computer is equals to paper. Or player is equals to paper, and computer is gonna be equals to rock. And we just finished our statement there. Now we are going to say if rock beats scissors and scissors beats papers and papers beats rock, it must return true. And the last thing, we are going to print gameplay. Oh, we are done. Now let's start debugging. You see? Oh, I forgot that it's in the while loop. You see? Yeah, the code is fine, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Seems like our code is fine. See you next time.